Welcome, this is the homework solution for September 6, 2016. This is covering part 6 of the review packet for the test. We have part 6. It says here we have a transformation. It's going from this rectangle A, B, C, D to A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. If the statement in the table below are true or false about the sequence of transformations that can verify that this rectangle A prime, B prime, C prime is congruent to A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. Okay? Alright, let's look at this. It says rectangle A, B, and C, and D is translated 2 units down and translated 7 units to the right. Does that make this? We're going to see. Here I have the object in paint. We're going to perform that transformation. Alright, let me grab it. Perfect. Okay, so it's right here. Right, watch this. Ready? 2 units down, so it goes from 1, 2, then 7 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that correct? Nope. So we say false. Right? So we circle false. False. Or maybe I think I can show you insert shape circle. Right? I can say false right here. False. Okay? No fill. False. Right? Doesn't, because it doesn't match up. Okay? Doesn't match up here. Doesn't match up. Okay? Next one. Reflects over the x-axis, then translate it 7 units to the right. Let's see if that one works. Okay? Let's grab the original image. Okay. Here it is. Reflected over the x-axis. So reflected over the x-axis. Okay, so it looks something like, reflect this, so it should be flipped horizontally. Right, looks something like this after it reflects. Good. Then 7 units to the right. Okay, so hold on. Yeah. So after it reflects, it should look something like this. Okay? Then it's going to go 7 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does that work? A is on the left corner. A is on the left top corner. B is on the top right corner. D. Hold on. That doesn't work so well. You can't really picture it. So once you reflect it, it should look like this. Okay. A prime should be on that corner. D prime is on that corner. C prime is on this corner. And B prime is on this corner. Okay? I made the image wrong. That's a bummer. Okay. So, this one, it's supposed to be like this. When you move it over, so this is good the way it is. I flipped this wrong because look, A prime is always supposed to be with C prime. Okay, but you see how it's weirdly diagonal? I write AD. So this should have been true. Okay, this should have been true Okay, I just made the image here bad. Right, so this would work. This is a reflection over the x-axis, then move to the right 7. So this should be true because it does match up. Okay, I messed up here by writing the d prime. Right, the d prime was supposed to be on the right hand side, and the c prime was supposed to be on the left hand side. Okay, so this one should be true because it does match up. Next, it says reflect over the y, then translate it 7 units to the right. Okay, right. So if you reflect this over the y, okay, it should look like this. Right? Okay. Should be D here. D prime's right there. C prime is right there. A prime is right there. And B prime is right there. Right? Then you're going to move it 7 units to the right. So, right, it's right here. 7 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't do anything. Okay? So this is false. Okay? Because it doesn't match up. Okay? Rotate ABC 90-degree clockwise above the origin, then translate it 2 units to the right. Okay, so we can do that. If you rotate it to the right, it should look like this. 1, 2, 3. So it should look something like this. It should be D's in that corner, D prime, C prime, A prime, B prime. Right? Then it says 2 to the right. So grab this, then move it 2 to the right. One, two, three, four, 5. Didn't matter. Doesn't match up. So I would say false. Right? Does not match up. Okay. Rectangle ABCD is rotated 90-degree counterclockwise, then translated 2 units to the right. Let's do that one. Okay. It's translate 90 degrees counterclockwise. It would look like this. So that's off. That one should look like looks like that, right? No matter how I put it, even if I move it and I go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, doesn't match up because it's the long way here. You see, doesn't ever match up. So we'll say this is also false. Okay, again, because didn't match up. Those are the explanation. Doesn't match up. 6. It rotates 180 degrees above the origin. Okay. This one might work. Let's see if this one will work. Alright. Let's see. So it reflected here first. So 2 here. 2, 3. Good. Then it rotated right here. Alright. Good. Let's see if that matches up identically. So here, it rotated. So A, B. Alright, so A is right here. B is right there. Right? You rotate. Yeah. If you rotate it again one more time, yep, it does get you that one. So yep. Whoop. So we would say that this is also true. Right? Rotating at 180-degree clockwise is the same thing. Right? So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So this is also true because it does match up. Okay. So I want to highlight the two correct answers for you. Make that in blue so you can see it. So in our case, right, this image right here can be made two ways. It can be made by reflecting this shape, A, B, C, and D. You can reflect that across the x-axis, then translate it 7 units to the right, or you can rotate it 180 degrees, okay, above the origin, and still get A, B prime, C prime, A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. All right, those are your correct answers. Okay. Yep. Good. There you go. So that is your homework solution for part 6.